Hello everybody, welcome back to Rough Cut Woodworking. Today we're going to go over how to make this toolbox. Simple little toolbox, 1/4-inch bottom, and it's going to teach you a few different aspects in my shop, one of which is the CNC machine, because the ends are both cut out on the CNC. The sides are just cut normally with table saw and other materials and other tools, but I'm also going to teach you how to do a simple bend with the handle. This handle here is made of multiple pieces of wood that have been glued together and laminated into that shape so that it's a little more comfortable to handle. First thing though, we have to rough cut out of our pieces and then we'll be able to start doing the joinery. The two ends are put together in one piece. It's 8 inches wide and 20 inches long. That one piece will give us both ends on the CNC machine, so we don't have to switch pieces after one is finished to start the other. The rest of this we'll cut out on our machines and then we'll start assembling after that. I've decided to make my box out of alder. Now, in my shop, we rarely if ever get alder that's 8 inches wide. So I went into the back and found a piece that was a little bit over 4 inches wide, so I'd have a little bit of extra. But what we need to do is cut this to our 20-inch piece always needs to be 1 inch too long. So make sure, cut off the factory end, and I'm going to cut 2 pieces that are 21 inches long so that I can joint them and glue them together. Good. Set this to 21. As always, joint the best edge. All we're doing on the long ones is getting rid of the bad edge. So you want to set it to, you can set it to half and half and that's fine. 2 4s and glue them together and that's great. If you've got 2 boards that are different widths, which happens if you're just pulling stuff out of the scrap bin, that's fine. I don't care where the joint is, it won't matter. So in this case, we'll go ahead and set it to 4. Gluing these boards together is super easy, but take a quick look and see if you have any bad edges. Now, I see a knot right here that I would like to put in the center so I can glue and reinforce that. I also see a little bit of a bad edge here, so I'm going to put that on the outside. It happened to work that way. But none of these defects are too bad. So just grab a bottle of glue and put on a nice thick bead. You can rub it around with your finger if you wish, but if you got enough, it should squeeze up just fine. Now remember, this is long enough that I would have 3 clamps. And then get this one nice and even. Tighten those up. And one in the middle. And again, as always, put your name on it and your period so we can always remember whose this is.